in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Bluetooth speakers to your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back to settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Bluetooth and devices on the left panel. And then on the right side where it says devices, select add device. And then make sure your speakers are discoverable on your network, and then also make sure that they are powered up and turned on. And then you would select Bluetooth here, and then just follow along with the on-screen directions, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.